Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how type error, module object is not callable. This error usually occurs when you try to call a module as if it were a function. In Python, modules are objects that contain functions, classes, and variables that you can use in your code. If you try to call the math module like a function, you'll get the type error, module object is not callable error. For example, when you run this code, you will get this kind of error. To fix this error, you need to make sure you are calling a function or class that is defined in the module, not the module itself. For example, if you have a module called math, you can call the sqrt function like this. For example, let's run this code. Here is the results. So, make sure you are calling a function or class that is defined in the module, not the module itself.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.